Mubarak. Ang dami tayong dates dito. Bumisita kami sa garden namin. Ito ang aking farm dito sa Oman, guys. Yan. Ang daming dates. Yan, laki ang ganda. Ayan, mga hinog na. Oh. Pwede nang akyatin. Ito nasamit, dagitan eh. Dagita kastang kulay. Tara. Bisita kami ti farm to kwa Bantay. Oh, there is mandarin, oh. Oh, too much lemon.
Yeah.
This for you?
No.
Ay.
Family Baba.
We cannot get a little. Too much, oh. Lemon. You want cigarette? I have cigarette. Oh, lemon, oh. Lemon, yeah.
Here too much snake.
Huh? Mabalin na gito yung jokes. Gitan eh. Nagadun eh, mga alatan tuman damdama. Why you not taking this lemon? Bring in the souk.
Before I too much here, but grandfather died. That lemon died.
Maraman ang datan ni Jocks Press. Ito eh, naloom. Mang puros ka, ito naloom. That one good, no?
That's here. Here, that's not for me. Yesterday quickly you came. I put for you there in the house, but not too much.
Oh.
You want?
Where?
Yeah.
This before we coming St. David, no? Ito nagadubungan, no? Here water la. Yeah.
Same lemon.
This lemon big.
Yeah.
This one food fruit coming.
No, bada.
This cow. Rico.
That's mango.
Small, ah.
Fish will not come here, eh?
Huh?
Kechra.
Water? No problem. This Philippines same like this. More in the buyon. Yeah, small.
Diba?
Basi nga san dyan eh. Oh, there is water, huh?
Yeah, that because the bunch
You can plant here the mango, no?
that mango.
Yeah, that one you remove. And then when you come, I give you more mango there.
Yeah, but eat that animal. You want big
You put same here melon, no lemon. Here.
water.
This for palage.
No, that me I put for house before Harara coming. You know, Falag. Long time I bought that. No, you see before coming, no have that.
Yeah.
No have. That I put new.